Hi, hello,
Okay.
welcome back to my channel, Govind English Teacher. Today, a new person is with us, as usual, a new person in my live session. And now he is going to introduce himself. Then we will flang into general conversations. Okay, please introduce, sir.
Yeah, by the way, I'm very happy to get a chance to introduce myself in your YouTube channel. And thanks, sir, for giving me a chance. And by the way, my name is Dev and I am from UP. I belong to UP where Ganga River is flowing. The name is Prayagraj. I think Prayagraj is a famous city over India, across the country also, across the world. And by the way, I'm a teacher. I teach the students. And yeah, this is my introduction.
Okay, you teach what subject? Which
Yeah, I
subject?
teach only English. I teach English grammar and English literature. I do not teach
Oh,
spoken English, but
oh,
very soon I'm going to start to teach the students spoken also.
oh, nice. You are a teacher of English language. Okay, nice, nice, good, great, wonderful. And so,
Yeah,
how long time have you been teaching in this field? Yeah.
yeah. It has been 2 years. I'm teaching English. It has been 2 years.
So,
Means
are you government?
when I was in second year of my graduation, since I have been teaching.
Okay, nice, nice. Are you teaching in government sector or private sector?
No, I am teaching in private sector. Basically, I teach in coaching, and apart from coaching, I used to teach in English medium school, but now I stopped to teach in English medium. I teaching only in means coaching institute.
Oh, you are teaching in coaching institutions. Okay, it is a private institution. Nice, good, great, wonderful. So, so while you're teaching communication skills or spoken English, and what is your the method that you are following, and what is the strategy you are following? How you are teaching? Do you feel difficulty when you are teaching spoken English or communication English? So, if you feel, what are the difficulties you are facing, and how your teaching is? Please explain your experience.
Yeah, the way I'm teaching is liked by every student. And just before 1 hours back, I stopped my teaching. Means I was teaching before 1 hours. So most of the students like my teaching, but I means most of the students relate to Hindi medium. So I teach basically Hindi medium, and I think Hindi medium students are not able to speak, but they are able to understand what the teacher teach. But English medium student need a teacher who can teach in using English like spoken. Like if I am going to teach active wise, so suppose if I am in class Hindi medium, so I say what is active, what is passive, please translate it and please do it, please change it. And there are many syntax formulas and structures you should follow, then you people will be able to means change active into passive, like something we should use in English medium. But in Hindi sometimes 70% language are being used by me in Hindi. Only I use 20% in English. That is my teaching method. And yeah, it has been only 2 years, so I can't say I am full of experience. But the way I teach, student like me, so that in a very small age I became famous in my region. Most of the students want to learn English from me. Most of the students.
Oh, nice. Because you are reaching your students, you are catching your student, you are teaching your students, your level is good. That's the reason most of your students are allowed to listen. Most of the students like your teaching because you are coming down to the level of the student. That's the reason people, student like your teacher. Okay, okay, nice, good, great, wonderful, actually. And so when you're teaching your subject, so which media you generally use? Is it in the because you told that you are teaching in the medium student, no? So in that
Yeah,
juncture, so many people they have some mother tongue influence, mother tongue somewhat, they have
mother.
some influence. So how we are trying to overcome those mother tongue influence and many students they try to think in mother tongue, they would try to talk in English. Is it possible? And how they are just overcoming this difficulty? How we are teaching? How we are making your student to speak English very fluently? Yeah.
Yeah, first of all, I suggest all students, mother tongue is known to all is necessary, because without knowing mother tongue, we people are not able to understand any other language, because we are Indian. So first we prefer to learn mother tongue, and thereafter we should go for another language. So like in my region, most of the students follow mother tongue Hindi, but most of the students also follow Bhojpuri language. Means they always used to speak Bhojpuri language. So in beginning, I was facing most of the problem because I was not able to understand Bhojpuri language at all. But somehow I managed myself, and then I taught them. I made them understand to better in Hindi, and then I taught them means how to convert Hindi sentence into English.
You are teaching with the help of the mother tongue, then you are trying to make them to speak in English language. Okay, that means you are using
Yeah.
bilingual method because
Yeah,
many
yeah,
Indian teachers they use bilingual method because students cannot directly understand English to English. Sometimes it is very essential. We have to use this code mixing and the code switching. So where we can
yes.
use the mother tongue, okay, and mother tongue influence always with there, but by gradually have to overcome those mother tongue influence so that we will reach the targeted goal, that is to make them to speak fluent English. Okay, that's good, sir, actually. And how did you learn your English, that your fluency? Because you're talking well, okay, even though you're very
Yeah,
early
thanks.
stage. Okay. What
Yeah,
fascinated you to
okay.
learn English language? Yeah.
Okay, thanks for giving me a chance to share about my strategy. So I would like to share because, by the way, my academic background was Hindi medium, and when I was studying class 9, 10th, and 11th, and 12th, that time I was not able to speak any word at all. And that time I had no knowledge about English. Like if that time many people ask me, like he does not do anything, and suppose if that time any teacher asked me in this tense, the sentence was given, I was not able to reply. I got a channel, and through that channel I knew and I collected many knowledge. Means basically, who want to become great personality, he needs to speak English, because great personality has to drive, has to walk, has to roam across the country and across the world. So that time I tried to give my best, but I was not able to speak. So uh, I tried continuously 1 weeks. Then I left my journey, and then after 2 weeks, I started again speaking, and I work hard myself, and I made notes by myself, and then I started teaching the students also. And when students started liking the way I am teaching, so I became energetic by myself. If I want, so I can do, means what I wanted I can do. And slowly I doing my time, I doing practice, and even nowadays I am also doing it. I'm practicing whenever I get a chance, I utilize it, because and yeah, everyone knows without practice we people are not able to speak any language, not English. Yeah, so this was my way. I learned, I made myself to speak better in English. Yeah, this was my way.
What are the suggestions you are giving?
Yeah, my suggestion for that, give me 1 minute.
Yeah.
Okay. My suggestion for new learners, suppose who has not knowledge at all about English. So first they should means learn their mother tongue. Like if we are in Telugu, we are in Malayalam, we are in Hindi, and then we should go for English. Means first we should try to translate the mother tongue into English, and if we will do it continuously 2 or 3 months, then we will be able to speak a little bit. And suppose sometimes we people face many problem to speak like video call and in front of. So that time we should take a idea, we should take a strategy to make conversation by phone calls, because by phone calls we people are not able to see face, so that time we people will not feel hesitation. So it is the also the best way of speaking. And then when we people are able to translate the mother tongue into English, and then we people try to speak like in first we people should show our interest, means we need it, then we can do it. And if we are not show our interest, so I think we can't do it. Yeah, interest is necessary.
Okay, okay. Thank you for your good advice, good suggestion. Thank you for coming into my live session. Thank you, sir, for your sharing your knowledge, sharing your experience regarding communication. Thank you. Good luck. God bless you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.